So in the previous videos, you had seen that to access a shared folder on the network, you need to type in the UNC path. UNC path, which was Universal Naming Convention. How do you do this? Backslash backslash followed by the IP address or the name of the device on which the folder has been created. So now, is there a problem with the UNC path? Not exactly, but there are some drawbacks using the UNC path. Number one, it would be time consuming to each time type the UNC path to access the folder. Number one. And number two, UNC path is famous amongst the IT guys, but the HR, sales, finance, and accounts department do not know much about the UNC path. So how will they be able to access their shared folder? Question mark. So now, do we have a solution for this? Answer is yes. The solution is the next topic, which is map drive. So what exactly is map drive? The word map means to connect and drive means a partition. So what do? We have 5 points. Let us understand one by one. Point number 1 says, with the help of a map drive, you will have a permanent access to the folder. That means the folder is residing on the server, but still you would be able to access it from your client PC. Point number 2 says, not only a single guy, but multiple guys, or you may say multiple devices, can access the shared folder at the same time. It is possible. Point number 3, once that you have created a map drive, what happens is that particular folder which was shared on the server will now be visible to you on your local PC as a drive, as a partition. That means you do not have to type the UNC path each time. The moment you log into your computer, you would be able to see the drive on your PC, and this drive is the corresponding drive of that folder which was shared on the server. The best part is that you shut down your PC, you reboot your PC, you sign out, sign in, you do whatever you want. Your map drive would be permanently located on your PC from henceforth. That means if I shut down the PC today and tomorrow I come back to the company, now when I try to log in into my PC, the drive will still be there. That means I don't have to type the UNC path again and again and again and again. So this is what saves time. So the drive is permanently there, present on your PC. And it is also synchronized with the server. That means any file that you save in the map drive is actually going to get saved in the server and in the shared folder created on the server. That means anything I create in the map drive gets created in the shared folder. Anything I delete from the map drive also gets deleted from the shared folder. So my PC, my drive, and the shared folder on the server will be synchronized from now on. Any changes I make on my PC will get reflected on the server. So usually these map drives are denoted by some letter starting in the reverse order from Z. Usually we do not give them the drive letters A, B, C, D because you must be knowing this. Drives A, B, D are reserved for CD and floppy drives, and C is usually reserved for the OS drive. So now what we'll do is we'll see of how can you create a map drive. So this is the client PC for Bob. And as we had seen in the run box, you give the UNC path, which is backslash backslash followed by the IP address of the device on which the folder is currently shared. In our case, it is the server. So it is the server's IP that I have typed in. And as you can see, the shared folder for Bob is visible. Now, what do? If I right click on this folder, I get the option Map Network Drive. As you can see, in the reverse order, it says Z, letter Z. But yes, you can change the drive letter as per your preference. The first option is a good one. It says reconnect at sign in. That means whenever I sign out, sign in, or reboot or shut down, the drive will be there permanently and it will not get deleted or it will not get erased. So it's a good option, an option to be selected. The second option says connect using different credentials. Now credentials means username and password. So if you wish that others should also connect to your map drive, you can select this option. When will you do it? Generally, we use this option when the data is common. That means I need to share my data with multiple colleagues in the office. So I can allow them to connect to my map drive with the help of their own credentials. But if in case my data is personal, it is private, I do not wish to share this with others, so I will not select this option. That means only I can access my map drive and not others. Now, if I say finish, so you would be able to see the map drive as Z, drive Z. It depends. If in case you wish to see this on the desktop, you simply drag this, you select this, drag this and drop it on the desktop. That means you don't even have to take the pains of going to my computer each time, because now you can see it directly there on the desktop. Just a small verification. Let us say that I create a file over here by the name test. Now, if I go on the server to check this, will it be there? Will it be there? And answer is yes, it's there. Right now it's blank because I have not updated the file. Let's say I write something into the file and I just save it. So is the content also going to reflect onto the server? Answer is yes. Not only this, if I simply delete the file from the map drive, it also gets deleted from the server. So as I was saying, both the devices, or you may say the drive and the folder, are now synchronized. Any changes made on the PC, on the client PC, will also be getting reflected onto the server. So this is a very simple verification of how the map drive works. More videos coming on, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you.